Ms. Želeva, would you be so kind to tell me your impression about the Paliću and the film festival on Paliću?
I could say that I had some impressions already from last year because some friends from the filmskog organization told me about this festival. And already last year I was informed that there will be a new festival opened here. I was very curious about that, and when I got this invitation to come here as a member of jury, I would say that I took it immediately because it's a very good chance for a film critic to see some films, especially from the national production. So my main interest was and is now for your national films. When I came here, I was really surprised about the beautiful area and also about these very calm and very nice hosts that we have here. And I'm perfectly grateful for the very, very good organization and for these very good, I should say, even excellent conditions in which personally I am here for the festival. So I wish good luck up to the end.
Želeva, thank you very much.